Welcome back to the third video. We're opening the purple tea set. Let's open. Look. Let's see. How do we open this? It's frozen. Last time we got a frog and the other one got a rainbow. We got a rainbow and the cake pop, right? Why is this not opening? Oh, we got the other package. It broke. I guess we had to find another way then. We'll have another way to open. We'll never stop opening these forever. Okay, let's open it. We still have the package. You take it off, please. Oh, it's super squishy. We got this sticker. What is it?
I don't know.
You can also name the other one.
Yeah. You name it Ashley?
No. Ashley's my little girl. Okay, let's name it Ashley. Do you have a pen?
Yeah, later.
Where's the little one? Oh, it's right here. I think it's a cookie. I see its face. I see the face. I think it's a cookie because I see its face. No, it's a heart. It's a heart cake. No, it's a heart. What is this? What is this? It's a heart. Let's take the flyer. You read the name for me. Is this one? Which one is this? We can.
Minnie Monkey and Robin Rainbow.
Is this Minnie Monkey and Robin Rainbow?
Yeah.
Another piece of rainbow. Rainbow.
Well, today is raining outside and then maybe rainbow. Today is a rainy day, rainy Sunday.
Is there any rainbow in Macau?
Yes, there are. As always, if there's rain, you got a chance to see a rainbow.
But I never see one in Macau.
Because most of the time when there's a rain, we stay indoor. Right? 2 days ago, there's a rainstorm and we have to stay at home with no school.
But it's only a bit. Okay, let's put it back. The chain in here is covered. Now let's put these two squishy and say bye to you. Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Yes, let's look at the old ones too. Where's the fifth one? Oh, it's right here. Okay, we got 5 here. Combine all the purple ice cream, the blue ice cream, the pink ice cream. Oh, the purple drink and the pink drink. This one was new. This one is old. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.